best part is it's just been pretty easy. We've just had to stay at home, wait for the contact, and then people have turned up and done surveys, and we're just told that the works will be done. One new thing that I've learned is that our property wasn't really running as efficiently as other properties. Our energy profile was quite low, so we're spending quite a lot to warm our house up, and by doing the improvements that we intend to get from NatWest, it should actually lower our bills and warm up our property. The main motivator for having these changes to my property is energy bill costs. Obviously, with energy bills rising in the UK, it's very difficult for a working class family to pay the bills and keep the property warm. Since the winter has came in and we've had to start using our energy bills a lot more than the summer months, we're definitely feeling an excess of around £20 to £30 a month on electricity and gas. The actions that we've been taking in relation to the recent energy bills and energy rise crisis is simply just turning off light switches and just being a little bit more savvy about not leaving the telly on of a night, and just making sure that we don't overuse gas and electricity.